Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
That is 40 minus 5. I said it will give us 35. And I've said that 30 is ọgbọ̀n, 40 is ogójì. So it's now be àrún, which is 5. Dín àrúndínlógójì. 40 minus 4, which is will give us 36. It's now be 4. Ẹ̀rin, can say ẹ̀rin, ìkẹrin, mẹ́rin, ẹ̀rìndínlógójì. 40 minus 3, which will give us 37. Let's say mẹ́ta. Let me use another one. Mẹ́tàdínlógójì. 40 minus 2 is will give us 38, which is èjì. Let's say èjìdínlógójì. 40 minus 1, which is 40 minus 1, it will give us 39, which is ọ̀kàndínlógójì. So you see it now. So there, this is when we now see 40 the other time. And I say 40 is ogún méjì, which is 20 times 2. That's where we see ìsọdipúpọ̀ that we call multiplication. Ìsọdipúpọ̀, multiplication. We call it ogún méjì, which is ogójì. So you can see it now from 1 to 40. So I will now write the whole numbers again now for you. Let's read it once again. Let's start from 30. 30 ọgbọ̀n. 31 ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n. 32 èjìlélọ́gbọ̀n. 33 ẹ̀tàlélọ́gbọ̀n. 34 ẹ̀rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n. Now 35 àrúndínlógójì. 36 ẹ̀rìndínlógójì. 37 mẹ́tàdínlógójì. 38 èjìdínlógójì. Now I've told you that you can say ìkejìdínlógójì, méjìdínlógójì also. 39 ọ̀kàndínlógójì. 40 ogún méjì, which is ogójì. So I want to read it. So, and I told you that 10 is ẹ̀wá, but in Yoruba numbers, which is òǹkà Yoruba, I told you that we have what we call this is when we get to the place, we make use of it. So, and this one is 20. I said it's ogún, or you say okòó. Another name for it is okòó. That is where we see 20 times 1 multiplication. Ogún kan. 30 ọgbọ̀n. Call it ọgbọ̀n. 40 we call it ogójì, which is òjì, because we can see ogún méjì in it. Ogún méjì, which is 20 times 2. 20 times 2. That is where we see ogún méjì. This is ogún kan, 20. So 20 times 2 will give us 40. And we call 40 ogójì, or we say òjì. 10 ẹ̀wá. And as time goes on, I said that we still be using this one. You know, in the alphabet, the vowel or alphabet in Yoruba, we said this one is a, but it's 2 now. A. So ogún, another name for ogún, that is 20, is okòó. 30 ọgbọ̀n. 40 ogójì. Another name for it is òjì, because we still also make use of it. Okòó, we still make use of it, which is ogún méjì, 20 times 2. So we are now go for between 40 and 50 now. So you see it, the different one. I'm filling it. Òǹkà 40, that is number 40 to 50. Òǹkà 40 to 50. Òǹkà 40 to 50. We still make use of this, that is why I didn't clean it up. So you know that 40, we call 40 ogún méjì, which is ogójì. Ogún méjì. Ogún méjì, 20 times 2. So now we are going for 41. So I don't want to write it again now, but you know that 41 will be ọ̀kànlélógójì. 42 will be èjìlélógójì. 43 will be ẹ̀tàlélógójì. So I will just write it briefly. 41 will be ọ̀kànlélógójì, like the one we have been written. 42 will be èjìlélógójì. 43 will be ẹ̀tàlélógójì. 44 will be ẹ̀rìnlélógójì. So you see it now. That is, the meaning is that 40 plus 1. You see it now. So 40 plus 2. 40 plus 3. 40 plus 4. You see it now. So it's the same thing. So we are now going for 45 now. We call this 50 àádọ́ta in Yoruba. We call it àádọ́ta. 50 àádọ́ta. Now, this is where we get àádọ́ta.